preparation.
Alright, you ready, Eli?
Yeah.
Alright. Should we go now?
Yeah, we should get out of here.
Alright.
We got some serious business. Could be, we're at Knob Hill. Anything that Trump would need?
Yeah, probably. Alright, hold on.
I will hold the line. Okay, what we got here?
Alright, we got jumpsuit, skateboard,
chips.
Chips?
Chips. Ooh, chips. Chips.
Alright, yeah, alright. Eli, serious business.
Alright, I like chips.
Yes, chips are good.
I guess we got all we need.
Yeah, nothing.
Sean and Eli slowly walk towards their destination. They take few pictures to conserve on battery life. Inside the clubhouse.
So this is the map.
Yeah.
Alright.
What me and Sean are going to be doing tonight is,
Alright, you guys start.
treasure hunting. Yep. Good old-fashioned treasure hunting. Haunted canyon / forest / whatever this place is.
Park.
Yeah, there you go.
Knob Hill.
I think we should keep going.
Yeah.
The hunt begins with the rabbit patch.
I think we're going to be heading off to the rabbit patch first. Yeah. Thinking.
So hard to see.
Yeah. I heard the rabbit patch.
Of course.
Rabbit patch is full of rabbits.
Really?
No.
Oh, cool.
Yes.
Alright, serve on the flashlight.
Rabbit patch is this way. Rabbit patch is this way.
I know.
On the rabbit patch is this way.
I don't think we should really even film.
The rabbit patch is this way.
But so horrible. Can't see anything. There it is.
See that rabbit patch?
This is the rabbit patch. Yeah, I see it now. This big patch of rabbits.
They're everywhere. For sure. No, I mean dogs. I just can't let it go.
But not really even rabbits. Just
Read past.
but this is where they hang out nowadays.
Big juicy logs. I'm not gonna leave that.
Me. Alright.
Alright. We should be heading towards the hill full of ants and bugs and beetles and stuff. You know why they call it that?
Why? Because it's got...
full of bugs, ants, and beetles.
Oh. Hey. Tree.
Yeah. Did you hear that, Sean?
Crickets?
No. It's the moon that broke calling our name.
Really?
Which means we get free tacos on Wednesdays.
There is no moon.
Ow.
What?
Alright, we're about to pass the
canyon.
big drop. The canyon. Well, it's not really that big.
Alright.
Alright, so we're gonna pop the canyon.
Alright.
Do this.
Alright. Ow.
We should be approaching
The thing?
The big hill full of ants and beetles.
the ant hill with a bunch of ants and bugs in it.
There it is.
Can't really tell on the camera, but this is a really big hill.
Yeah. Alright, y'all don't really see anything, mainly because poor lighting.
But there's the evergreen forest over there.
See that light? Basically, it's to the right and now the left. Yeah, you get it. There's a tree. Can't see that. There's LED light. Yeah. Hey, car. Alright.
Spirits of Untamed Rabbits will be playing.
Really?
No.
Dude. Oh. This place is kind of creepy at night.
It is
Like
quite haunted.
Oh yeah.
With the ghosts of uneasy miners and pioneers
Oh.
and ghosts.
Got the other side of the trench. Here's a tree.
Of the evergreen. Let's just pass up a bunch of trees so they can see the evergreen forest.
The forest.
Treasures. Alright, let's go. It's been a long perilous journey so far.
Yeah, I'm really kind of getting creeped out, you know.
Why?
It's really
It's just a haunted forest filled with dead rabbits and
stuff.
miners. Miner 49ers.
Dumb. Scooby-Doo.
And dead rabbits.
And other Scooby-Doo.
Sean's feet.
Really?
I think we're way off course here.
Really?
Let's see where we're at.
Oh. Dumb.
We're too busy jacking off. Shit.
I'm sure. Because I was. I showered though. Trees. Oh, got a trash can. Alright. What the hell?
The entrance. The side entrance. X marks the spot.
Alright, so this is it, right?
Yeah. We gotta do this quick. I mean, there's gangsters and cops coming to get us. They know we're in here looking for the treasure. They want a piece of it. I really gotta take a crap.
Really?
Yeah.
You too?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's right here, but dude, I really have to go.
Yeah.
Like bad.
Me too.
Alright, yeah, it's kinda creepy. Alright, yeah, let's go.
Yeah. Alright, let's get out of here.
Alright. Next time.